And here I was, you could play your part in continuing the long story of Minnesota's legacy of failure. Regardless, I don't blame you for losing by only 5 points. And yes, that is a reference to 5 points vids. Where to start with this franchise? For one, this is one of the most disappointing ways that you could end Drew Brees' career. So hopefully he will come back for next year. Otherwise, this has got to be one of the most depressing ways an underachieving superstar quarterback such as Brett Favre can end their career. 5 points short. Then again, you could pull a Tennessee and just be 1 yard short. That would really suck. Regardless, I guess you could sum this season up as fantastic, underachieving, but optimistic.